Hi everyone, we are here at the beach right now. We are doing picnic. Say hi everyone.
Hello.
When we are here now at the beach and we will try to go swimming. Look, why Javi are still here. There's not very many people here. First time in 2 years or 3 years back to the water. Hi. Hi Sarah. The beach is really quiet. Yeah. What are you doing, Dai? Right there. Oh, nice brand new umbrella, Dai. Good, big one. Oh, that's big. Huh? Oh yeah, done. Sunblock. Huh? Yeah. Are you sensitive of the sun?
No.
No, it's
You want some? Yep, I'm already tan. A little bit on my belly. I don't want my belly to burn.
Where is Roger?
Might hit my shoulder. It's cold.
Where is Roger? I don't see. I didn't see he's coming back. No,
Oh, he's coming back.
I'm good. Huh? Wala, pagbutang na. Honey, are you done? Are you all done?
Done with what?
Are you all done with swimming?
Oh, no, I don't think so.
No?
He's ready to jump in again. Waiting for you, Gemma.
Done or no? Ready, Barb? Let's go back, honey.
Oh, the kids chattering out there.
Yeah, look, the other side, there's nothing. Let's go to the water. Honey.
Is that a stingray? By your foot?
No. That's so
Piranha.
There's no piranha in the ocean.
Piranha.
Could be a shark.
Hi guys, we are
Yeah.
now walking
Yeah,
to the other side of the
5
beach
years ago, I took
so
a
we can
certification
watch the
class.
divers.
Me and my son
Yeah.
came down, we took it
There you
together.
go,
Yeah.
my
And then we've been diving for 5
friends.
years.
And the beach
I
is
just-
right
Yeah, I was
here.
going to bring the cake today turn my head.
That one is a divers.
Who like the diving, but like the last
Right,
time.
that one. The beach is so nice.
Yeah, he's
Nice looking.
and
There's not very many people here.
he's in the water.
Alright, now we are almost reached in the divers. Okay, now that people are the divers, I think it's a diving class. And we are watching them. They're teaching how to dive, I think.
We only got
Now
two
here.
guys, so.
Watching. Everybody's. How many people are in there? 2, 4, 6, 8 people. Alright. Let's watch.
So it should be doing video?
Yeah, the Huh?
It says recording.
Oh yeah.
All right, there you go. Get video. Oh my God, who's that way out there in the middle?
Ah, Christina.
No, that's Roger.
Oh, Roger.
Got Sarah, got Christina, got you. Oh, you look pretty, yeah.
Alright, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, no more.
Oh! It's a crush.
It's I-75 in the ocean.
Yeah. What did you say? What did you say? I'm gonna go like that.
There you go.
Do like that? No, do like this.
Like a movie star.
That's a good one. Yay!
Yay. Oh my God, she's trying to drown you. Oh, jeez. Roger, come rescue her. Roger's no good. He's not rescuing you.
That was a good option. We just got out from the beach and we are here dried out. Hi Barb. Where are you? Hey, Barbara. We need to dry it out now. Hi Dai. Where are you Dai? We will dry it out now. It's getting hot. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. So see you later. Hi, we're back. My teeth. We're back and we are already rinsed out from the beach. And now we're eating snacks. And soon we will pack up. Eat coffee. Hmm? Coffee. Hey, that one there is coffee. You want the coffee? Yummy.
No, I'm good right now.
I'm eating choco pie.
Is this your choice? This one.
Hi everybody. Eat. Hi Sarah.
Taking video. Uh-oh, she's taking video.
Hi honey.
Bunny, what's up?
Are you gonna change?
Well, I'm gonna put some dries. Yeah, I think I will put.
Over there, they got nice shirts.
Yeah, I gotta wash the seat.
Yeah, that's a nice shower.
I'm not gonna take a shower.
And then coffee.
I like the dried salt on my skin.
It's itchy.
Makes you itchy.
Is that why I eat?
That's why you itch.
Die.
Yeah, you get it.
Die. Peanut. Coffee because the snacks is sweet. Peanuts. What you eating there, Barb? Drinking.
Chicken and tea. He's drinking.
Sarah, what you eating? Chocolate pie. Mommy Christina, what you eating?
Oh, pastry.
Pastry. Now, strawberry pastry. I'm drinking
dead
coffee.
Chicken. Dead chicken.
Chicken, fried chicken.
Oh, it sure smells good. I'll take a piece to go for later. I gotta take it. I just had a chocolate pie. I'm not
Yeah.
supposed to eat chocolate pie.
Yeah, I told you, drink a tea.
It's Gemma's
to,
fault.
sir.
She made me eat it.
No. Alright. Eating. We will do this again after next week. Yeah. And maybe Big Daddy coming, right?
I'm not sure.
Maybe he will be okay. Huh?
Next time, I'll bring a lighter.
Oh, I'll make sure the lighter, because our problem today is the lighter. Run to the door.
You should get one of those
What?
to get into the water earlier. So you
oh.
were safe. Maybe
I
you're
have
in
like
the
that. I have like at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't remember. I don't remember to, you know.
Yeah, because you use it on the boat, right?
I use it in the boat.
I mean, you can still use it in there.
Oh yeah, there too, because I don't swim.
Oh, kids. Don't swim.
Kids. So I'm belong
Oh,
with
you're
the
big-
kids.
You're big kids.
Big old kids. Big old kids, Bob. I am a big old kids. Don't know how to swim. Okay, I just need to practice. Yes.
Alright, thank you all guys for watching at kita-kita tayo sa ating susunod na mga video. Bye!